partner of Asia University. He, along with Dr. Umar Masood, advised Asia degree. Now, I would request Sir Maqbool to start with this presentation. Over to you, sir.
Is my sound is strong and clear, or it's breaking? Because Krina's voice was breaking.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
It's clear.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so I will be sharing with you my presentation as well. So just let me share my screen. Okay, thank you all on being with us in this seminar. It's we thought before Eid we should have one seminar because the next session of admission of the university is starting. Actually, as Krina introduced me, I'm by profession chartered accountant. I'm chartered accountant with a master degree already with my hand. I'm MCom and also the chartered accountant from Pakistan, Canada, and England. Okay, I'm FCCA. I am a CIPFA member, also CIPFA council member, as you said. And both are US CPA as well. And the younger one has a master degree. Because according to me, a simple qualification of ACCA, ICMA and ICAP without graduation has very much, requiring more to do. Okay, I'm not saying they are bad, but I say requiring more to do. So with this background, when I looked at Pakistan's qualification, so I was always thinking that a lot of people have joined even the ACCA without graduation, and most of ICAP member without graduation, even student without graduation, and ICMA same in these days. So I thought we should work for arranging for them the degree coverage. So we worked with the various university and we found very much recognized, affordable, and practical university, which is the Asia University, which is going to, I'm going to talk about the bachelor program, master program, and PhD program of this university. And my discussion would go around this agenda. About Asia University, about Asia University recognition, mode of study at Asia University, schools of Asia University. I'm going to talk about the program, one from the bachelor level and the one or two from master level, particularly MBA, and the PhD from the doctorate program. And at the end, I will be looking at the cost. Asia University is a dual mode university, meaning offering residential courses as well as online distance learning courses as well. It's supported by 34 member countries who are member of Asian Cooperation Dialogue. And the university was conceived in Islamabad. Meeting, a minister level meeting of these 34 countries was held in Islamabad, where they conceived the formation of this university. And in a meeting held at Doha, they actually approved the establishment of this university. ECD is a big forum of foreign minister level of 34 countries. Okay, any one of you, I request every one of you to Google when you find time Asia Cooperation Dialogue. You will see the level of this forum. Okay, and this forum was inaugurated in 2002 June in Bangkok, Thailand, and university was established in 2007 at Doha. So this is the link of ACD and this university. And these are 34 countries which are at foreign minister level part of this ACD forum and which approved this university. So you can see all GCC countries are there. I put them red, and you will see that all Asian countries, South Asian countries are there. Even Japan is there, Indonesia is there, and Russia is there, and they are the 34 countries. All were there in 2002, but one was not there at that time, which is Kazakhstan, which joined this forum in 2003. This is one university owned by 34 countries and nearly 30,000 students all the time studying in this university. They're online and residential courses. The university was initiated by Malaysian government, approved by Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia, and accredited by the Malaysian Qualification Agency, MQA. MQA just like HEC in Pakistan. HEC, sorry, in Pakistan. And this, the accreditation of this MQA is very strong and accepted by many countries. OM International is a partner of Asia University in Pakistan, which is doing two things. They are facilitating the student who want to do the online learning in Pakistan, and is also recruiting the student who want to go to for in-campus study in Malaysia. So recruiting them, sending them to Malaysia. So OM International is basically a private limited company headed by an renowned educationist, Professor Dr. Umar Masood. I know Dr. Umar Masood for the last 13, 14 years, and he has over 20-year experience of teaching, consulting, administrative roles he is playing, have been in very leading university, financial institution internationally. And he is the lead advisor in finance, economy, education, curriculum development, and banking for various governments, including Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Turkey, and UK. I met Dr. Umar 13, 14 years back when he was the dean of the one of the Islamic school of the East London University. I met him there, and since then we are very good friends, sharing with each other, joint initiative, going for various educational initiative together. And the Asia University is also our joint initiative. He's playing the leading role and playing the technical role. Okay, so this university is fully recognized by Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. The recognition basically started with the notification dated 23rd October 12, when the president of the university, Dr. Insari, written to the HEC, then the executive director of HEC, about the recognition of Asia University, inquiring the recognition of Asia University. In this letter, which is the October 2012 letter, they confirmed to him that as the Asia University is a charter university of Malaysia, and it is on the official website of UNESCO, therefore, Pakistan Higher Education Commission and Government of Pakistan recognize all the degrees awarded by the university. Okay, so this is the institution to institution level communication. Then the second letter is from a so he wrote a letter asking again about the confirmation of recognition of university, Asia University. First paragraph, he's been given the same answer that the Asia University is the charter university of Malaysia, and in the international directive published by the UNESCO, it's included in that, and therefore all its degree programs are recognized by the Higher Education Commission, Government of Pakistan. So they reconfirmed when in November 2018, 6 years later. And then they also told them about the recognition about the online distance education. Okay, sometimes people say, okay, universities recognize. What about this online program? Are they recognized in Pakistan? They say they gave they highlighted. There's a policy about the online distance learning of HEC is reproduced below. HEC recognized the degree obtained through virtual online distance learning, provided it is granted by the university, which is a recognized university by the Higher Education Commission, which is this university is, and then they say the university has both on campus and distance education program. Same program should be offered in campus as well as on a distance learning basis. That's a very good step they have, and on the basis of that, I can tell you that this university has this, that they have all program which are the online as well as in campus. Okay. I'm looking at my AC. Just to give me 1 minute. And yeah, it's better now. Okay. So they say program should be in campus as well and through distance learning as well. And the C paragraph say the degree awarded for both programs should be indistinguishable. By looking at degree, you should not say it is online or it is in campus. It should be same degree. They say if this is the case, then HEC recognize both of them at par. Very detailed guidance given to the student. Okay. And then there is a one letter. Now, one of our students qualified through distance learning, PhD business administration, and he applied for the equivalence to the Higher Education Commission. We have we are hiding his name, right, for needless publicity. Rest everything is there. He was given this letter, which is equivalence letter, and saying, as the University of Malaysia is a chartered university, and the higher education recognized its Doctor of Philosophy business admission degree held by you through distance learning as equivalent to corresponding PhD degree in the relevant field from Pakistan. Institution to institution, first letter. Student to institution HEC, second letter. Now degree is completed and the recognition is there. Okay. Next, this is the website of the HEC in the time of the COVID, and it is advertising the scholarship program being offered by the ACD for study in Asia University, Malaysia. 2 scholarship, right, for each program in each country. One master and the other is bachelor. Okay, bachelor program is only cover the full tuition fees, not the living expenses and the other transport expenses, anything else. Just the tuition fees, full tuition fees. And program should be full time in Malaysia, studying in Malaysia. Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Information Communication, Master of Business Administration, and last bullet, which is hidden here, is the Master of Management. So this is another recognition. HEC home page, HEC website page have a word Asia University. Okay, another. Mr. Tahir Ali Shah is the Director of Research and Development at Higher Education Commission, Islamabad. He is holding various important positions in various committees, research magazine, and international collaboration of academic research development. And he is an advisor of Asia University, academic advisor. He is one of the academic advisors of Asia University in his personal capacity. Okay, and also he is a scholar of Asia University, doing He's already doctor, but now he's pursuing doctor in HR because his job is more relating to HR. So he's doing HR PhD with the university, ACCA University. Okay. And here now a thing is, one person asked me, is this university degree recognized by WES? WES is a World Evaluation Education Service. Okay. Is it recognized? If anyone want to go to America, Canada, they need further immigration, have their degrees of a study evaluated from WES. They asked me, is WES recognized? WES is basically father of all recognition bodies because they evaluate every degree, right? So its recognition matter more. So I gave them the answer, yes, it is recognized. But then I inquired from the university. Then the university shared with me an email which was exchanged between the WES and the one of the international director of this university. And they said Asia University is recognized by MQA, Malaysian Qualification Agency, and therefore we confirm that the World Education Service regard the accreditation of academic program for Asia University that listed on the Malaysian Qualification Register, right? So then I said, let's look at the Malaysian Qualification Register. Link is given here. So then I went here and I pressed this to see what kind of register I get. So I got this register, right? And this register is up to 2018. And it's a Malaysia Asia University, and it is putting here all the program what are there, right? The 18th, so Bachelor of Accounting will be added these days, and this is the old email link because this bachelor program was approved in March 2020. Okay, so and this email was of January 2020. So you can see all those programs here: doctor level, bachelor level, and even the MBA I'm going to talk about today, like Master of Business Administration 19 and Master of Management in 18. Right? These are all programs. So this is the link I opened from, you could say, now I have to go back and I have to search how I can go back. I have to, I think, minimize this. Yes, that works. Okay. So this is so zero doubt on the recognition of this university within Pakistan and internationally. That's the first comfort I want to give you people, that this is very important that we see the recognition of this university. Okay. Okay. Another point is, let me put my fan on. My AC is giving me difficulty. Just a minute, please. Okay. So what I'm saying is, now why to study with the HKI University? I approve the recognition. I just discussed with the recognition of the university. So your mind should be clear of any doubt when you want to invest your time and money. You should be clear about the recognition of the university. Now this university is offering the education which fit into student life. Okay, so they can study with their own pace at their own space. Right? They don't have to go to Malaysia if they don't want to. They can study here. They can study in Africa. They can study in Middle East. There's no issue. And in our last program, last admission, which took place in May and June, about 24 professionals, students and members have taken admission in various programs of the university, mostly in the Bachelor of Accounting, okay, but in PhD as well and in a Master MBA as well. So Malaysia is basically fifth largest education destination of international students in the world. After US, Canada, UK, and Australia, the most people go to Malaysia. And the Malaysia, this university is the only university which program can be studied in Pakistan, and they are recognized by Higher Education Commission. And the Asia University ranked second on the UNESCO website when you open the Malaysia page there. And the university is operating in 34 countries, learning centers and facilitation centers. And university has currently students from over 100 countries who are studying online and in campus. Notable alumni of this university, this is from the Wikipedia I got. If you go to Wikipedia, you will yourself will see. When you go to Asia University, there will be Wikipedia page. You go here, the notable alumni would be there. It's not produced by the university itself. Okay, it's a third party. So Dr. Hamid is a doctor of philosophy, and he was foreign minister of Home Affairs of Malaysia. And Dr. Mary, doctor of philosophy, education, and former deputy minister of higher education of Malaysia. David Richard, doctor, and the doctor of philosophy, business administration, former minister of education in Namibia. And Dr. Abdullah, doctor of philosophy, education, a minister of education in Malaysia, Maldives. And Mr. Matthew, who is the master of business administration and the former minister from embassy of the Republic of Zimbabwe in Malaysia. They are the notable alumni of the Asia University. Okay. E. What is E in the Asia University? E is not electronic only. It is empowered, enhanced, exploratory, effective, expanding, experiential learning in addition to the electronic learning. Asia University has a flexible mode of learning called blended learning. Blended learning encompasses face-to-face, online, and self-managed learning. Okay, all modes are available here, right? People can interact with instructor through the classroom made available at learning center, or they can learn online and combine both. Asia University has 5 schools: School of Management, School of Education and Cognitive Studies, Sciences, School of Information Communication Technology, School of Arts, Humanity and Social Sciences, School of Graduate Studies, and doctoral programs. There are 7 doctoral programs. I will talk about PhD Business Administration in little detail, okay? And then we have a Master of Business Administration. We also called it a Fast Track MBA as well for professionals. Can be achieved in 4 to 6 month time by professional like Chartered Accountant, ICMA and ACCA. Master of Science, this is another program, which is 2 programs which can be availed by the professional. Rest are also there, but more closely linked to the accountants of these programs. A Bachelor is a Bachelor of Accounting program, which was approved in March 2020 as a new program. First intake gone on board in the June, July. They're gone on board. Okay, they are doing their assignments in these days. There will be exam will be in August, and they will be completing fast track in 8 to 6 month time, 6 to 8 month time. By February, inshallah, most of them, if they complete their work, they will be completing this. Okay, so let me take you through the Bachelor Accounting. It is a accounting program which is followed by people who want to pursue career in accounting, finance, and business sector, and people can be trained as a professional accountant. The syllabus of this bachelor is, let me say, better than any professional qualification. There are certain areas which are not included in any professional qualification. Because Alhamdulillah, this was designed by me along with the Malaysian team. So as you know, carrying the charter contents from so many countries, I knew everything. So we put it things like those which are easy to get a recognition for professional and easy for the professional if they want to move forward. Let's say someone done Bachelor in Accounting, want to do US CPA after that. So he should be having all things already in place to handle the US CPA. No need to do ICMA or ICAP or ACCA before going to US CPA. Okay, so this is designed such a way. Okay, so graduate will be able to create strong foothold in industry, and basically program provide understanding of general accounting and finance principle, and give the specific knowledge in the functional area like tax, audit, finance, costing, management accounting, economics, and information technology. Right? We assure that the student is having the adaptability to the rapid changing taking place in the business world. And the curriculum is well balanced and cover in broad spectrum the all areas which are required for a professional accountant. So let's see, they are compulsory subjects. You see they are red and blue. They have 7 compulsory subjects. The people from the fast track means the students are member of ICAP or students who have completed at least CAP level, intermediate level, and also completed ACCA up to strategic level, right? They are only required to take these 4 papers, not all the 7 papers, right? You can add how many papers one has to take. 4, only 4, 10 credit hour total. And then there's a whole list of core common subjects, but they don't have to do any exam. But there's a one thing called Apple C test, right? Where we map the competency from the earlier study person has. Apple means accredited prior experiential learning. Okay, so these area: principle of management, organization behavior, strategic management. They will be covered as a portfolio submission, mapping, outcome mapping, or maybe challenge question rather than exam. Challenge question by advisor. Small question given on principle of management, see how he responds on behavior. So, right, advisor will be working with the student, not exam, right? And this is another paper. There were 4, and this is the 5th one. 5th one is for those people who have not passed the ICAP advanced level, financial accounting and reporting. If they pass advanced level financial accounting reporting, they will be exempt, right? They will be not exempt, credit transfer. There is no concept of exemption. You will get 129 credit hour transcript, okay? Because other will be credit transfer. On the basis of the marks you have from the ACCA, ICAP, or ICMA. ICMA people are very good in this because they get the actual marks on the transcript. But ICAP does not give the transcript marks, so they will be getting pass marks. But the ICMA people may be getting the marks, maybe someone has 80 marks, will get the 80 marks. So in this way, that's the 5th paper, only for those people who have not passed their the advanced level financial accounting reporting. So they have to take this paper as well. So some people will be taking 4 paper only, some people will be taking 5 paper only. And apart from the Apple test is, these are also all exempt or all credit transfer, right? A long list of subjects, credit transfer, because we have already done enough mapping with the syllabus of these professional bodies, okay? And there's again one more subject for Apple C. So 4 Apple C component and the 4 or 5 papers, all can be done in 6 to 8 months time, okay? So they are the elective subjects. So in accounting, people have done one of that, so they cover those, okay? So don't have to take any exam, okay? And this is for you more important is fast track is 6 to 8 month time only. Otherwise, the 3-year program or 5-year program for part time. 9 semester or 15 semester. Okay. 50% marks is for the assessment and 50% marks is for examination. Examination take place online, right? In these days, in COVID period, they have started taking online. Earlier, they were used to ask people come physically to a appointed place and take exam. But in this period, they are going to take from our students the online exam. Okay, they will be asked to download, do, and upload within the given time. Okay, so 50% marks go to assignment, 50% marks to examination, just like semester system. In the semester system, people normally pass if they continue to work, right? They normally pass. So that is there. Okay. So Apple is, as I said, is the experiential learning, prior learning base, and there will be advisor, and you may need to submit the portfolio. Last paragraph I'm looking at, or you may have to take either challenge test, and as advised by the advisor appointed by APL, for APL by the university. Okay. And now Master of Business Administration. So let me say Bachelor, 6 to 8 month time for professional qualified person or a advanced student of a professional body, right? And the 3 bodies named, one is ICAP, ICMA and ACCA at this stage. But the more advantage going to ICAP and ICMA, right? Because ACCA have their own Oxford Brook University arrangement. So not focusing much on that as far as the bachelor is concerned. But in master, we are looking at them as well. Okay. So in business administration, it's a very good program covering in the curriculum, problem solving skill, and practical aspects, right? So one should have a very much hand-on, right skill to meet the challenges of the business of today. So normal entry route is you need to be recognized bachelor degree holder with a 2.5 CGPA. If your CGPA are less, then you have to have a 5-year relevant working experience to pursue this Master of Business Administration. But for professional, every qualified chartered accountant, ICMA, they are eligible to enter. The entry requirement is met. Even we process few cases who are already having bachelor degree like BCom, but they have not completed the whole ICAP program. They were in the final stage, and they say, can we go for MBA? We already have bachelor, no point of going for bachelor again. We had their case processed on merit basis, and they have been allowed to enter the MBA program, some with the 4 subjects and some with the 5 subjects. 4 subjects is a fast track out of 10, 11 subjects, right? Out of 11. So 4 are the fast track. And the special cases on merit basis, most of them got the 4 paper, same paper. But 1 or 2 got the 5 paper because the qualification was lacking some passing of some required paper. Okay. And here's the core subject. That's 6 core subjects. Under the fast track, you only have to do 2: marketing management and international business. Because you don't do this in your CA program, ICMA program. You do managerial economics, you do the managing people and organization, you do the accounting finance for manager, you do the strategic management, but you never do the marketing management international business. So therefore, you do here two subjects are here, 4 subjects. And here are the elective. Out of the 10 subjects, you only have to choose 2 subjects. If you see the list, none of the chartered accountants has done this as a subject. They might have studied as a chapter, but not as a full subject. Okay. So one can go and build the skill. People ask me which subject we should choose. I say, according to post-COVID situation, I'll say supply chain management, and I say international logistics and transport, or maybe purchasing and procurement management. Choose that. But one said, I don't want to put too much effort. Please advise me, easy subject. I said, go for the entrepreneurship and innovation, right? So these are 10 subjects you only have to choose. 2 plus 2, 4 subjects only, MBA. Otherwise, there were these 6, 2 from here, 8, and 3 from here, specialization, right? 8 plus 3, 11, and 1 project paper at the end, okay? So out of the 12, in the fast track, you only have to do 4 subjects. Who can be qualified for fast track? Qualified chartered accountant, qualified ICMAP, qualified ACCA. But if someone has done the bachelor already, have not yet completed these programs, he can also come forward. We can look at his case on merit basis. Okay, so they are the specialization, various specialization, other. These are accounting specialization. But if one student said, I don't want to do special in accounting, I want to do in supply chain management. Then I said, you have to do not 4 subjects, you have to do 7 subjects, because accounting subjects were their credit transfer. Okay, but now they will not be credit transfer. You have to do them. So then he said, no, I will do the accounting. I'm interested in a quick. So you get the 4 subject transcript, because the credit transfer would be there, not exemption. 4 to 6 month time, fast track. 60% assignment, 40% exam for core subject. And for the elective subject, there's a 100% submission rather than exam. They are the research assignment based submission. Okay, so 2 subject exam and the assignment, 2 subject assignment. Okay, Master of Science in Management is also a program. If someone want to do this has a mini PhD, There's no exam like MPhil. There's MPhil, like MPhil. No course. You only have to do research, submit a research paper. You only go through research methodology, quantitative data analysis, qualitative data analysis, and then you go 4th stage, proposal development, data collection, reporting writing your research paper, and via Viva, and then you get your degree. It can be done in 1 year. Okay, that can be done in 1 year. This is also master. And there are various research areas which you can choose: finance, banking, management, economics, leadership, name anything. Okay, so this is for professional working executive. It is doable in 1 year. Okay, so no subjects, only you will be lottery supervisor. It's just like MPhil. Okay, MPhil without any course testing. This is a normal in all international countries, not only Malaysia offer that way. Okay, PhD finance. Look, in Pakistan, if you want to do PhD, what you have to do? You have to do first 1 year the coursework. 6 to 7 subjects you have to qualify in first year. And then you undertake a comprehensive exam. Before that, you need to be MPhil. Okay, not 16-year education. You need to be MPhil first. Spend 2 years in MPhil. Once your MPhil is completed, then you come here and you do 1 year coursework. Then you go through the comprehensive exam, which is written and Viva. Once you've done that, then you will start your research. But here, you can do your research, start your research straight away. You enter, and same thing you've seen in the management science, master in management science. Their research methodology, quantitative data analysis, qualitative data analysis. You do it through compulsory webinar and seminar. After that, same 4 steps: proposal development, data collection, report writing, thesis. No MPhil, no coursework, no comprehensive exam. If you are eligible, you will go through these 3 areas. You will, of course, when you will get the admission, you have to write your proposal, intent for research. Once that is accepted, you will be accepted as a student. Along with your application, you have to submit your intent of research, right? The people are there who advise you in writing the intent of research. Right? You will not be alone. There will be supervisors provided by the university to you. Okay. In this way, there's huge area where you can do that. Research area, anything you can do. One of my friends is a very much expert in tax matter. He said, I want to do PhD. I said, do it. He said, where I should do it? I said, there are so many areas where you can do it. So I told him, do in the tax accounting. Okay. So he found very attractive, but he's making up his mind because doing the PhD, you have to really focus for 3 years because it's a 3-year program. As I mentioned here, it's a 3-year for professional. For us, it's a 4-year program. Okay. So that fund was under the impression he has done a lot of research work and he will provide to someone, they will give him PhD. This doesn't work like that. It has to be very, very proper research work and it cannot be completed before 3 years. Okay. It has to be very solid new finding. Otherwise, why you don't doing research if some theory, some findings, some lessons are already there? What you are contributing? You have to contribute a new thing there. Okay. So this is a PhD business administration, same way. Okay. Same, everything same, new research area. So I was telling my friend this. So he said, so I said, look at so many areas where you can do your research. So this is the same way. So basically here, accounting and taxation, here, tax accounting. I said, do it in that, tax accounting. Or any discipline related to tax, you do it. And you become champion in a tax research in Pakistan. Okay, so this is the PhD, 3 years. And look at, we say fast track, Bachelor, 4 or 5 subjects, C. And then we have a Master, which is the MBA, out of 12, 4 subjects, 4 to 6 months. Okay, fast track. And then PhD, I call it fast track because you don't have to do MPhil. You don't have to do first year coursework. No comprehensive exam. Straight away, write your intent and move forward and start your research. Spend solid 3 years on your research. Okay? So this is that's why we call it fast track. Now, you are going to study online. If you study online, then how you will be supported in online. Okay, so this is a platform, state-of-art platform called MyPLS, which will help you in doing that. Please watch this for 2 minutes.
MyPLS, your gateway to all information. The MyPLS is our award-winning online portal which provides you personalized access, course enrollments, schedules, interactive learning environment for teacher and students. Through MyPLS, you will be given access to 2.4 million e-thesis, 95,000 e-journals, and 190,000 e-books. Let us explore the features that MyPLS provides. In order to explore MyPLS, first visit the AEU website. Once you are in the home page, click the Knowledge Center tab on the top right corner. Knowledge Center homepage will open in front of you. Scroll down to view quick access buttons. Now to access online portal, click MyPLS in the footer menu. The MyPLS home screen is now in front of you. To access your account, click Login in the top right corner and enter your details. Your personal learning space is now on display. On the home screen, you can see the course overview, upcoming events and any deadlines information. In order to appear in the home page, click the Knowledge Center tab on the top right corner. Knowledge Center home page will open in front of you. Scroll down to view quick access buttons. Now to access online portal, click My PLS in the footer menu. The My PLS home screen is now in front of you. To access your account, click Login in the top right corner and enter your details. Your personal learning space is now on display. On the home screen, you can see the course overview, upcoming events and any deadlines information. In the left-hand corner, all the course modules are on display. If you click Doctoral Thesis tab in the course overview menu, when you click Expand, you can view various guidelines for your PhD thesis. Clicking on one of the items will take you through slides. Similarly, you can view resources related to quantitative data analysis by clicking the tab in the course overview menu. Here, you can see all the guidelines for using quantitative data analysis. The slides and sample data for running in the software to check your progress. In the same manner, a complete guide to qualitative analysis is available to the students. Other than slides, the student can view classroom lectures on the same topic. The student can also interact with the various participants of the same program. Click Participants from right-hand side and you will see a list of the participating students. Once you have finished your session, click Log Out. My PLS, your learning partner.
Okay, so this is the platform, state-of-art platform of ACCA University. Before I ask the question, let me tell you last part was the cost. Please note down, the cost of this program, bachelor program, fast track is $1,700. $1,700. Because we told the people last time, whoever come in the first batch would be paying the $1,600. Everyone paid the $1,600, okay, not a single dollar less. Some people were saying, is there any concession? There's no concession. This program is worth $8,000, right? If you look at any foreign university, the fee of 1 year program is not less than $25,000 per year. Okay, ICAP has arranged for their student a bachelor top-up program, not bachelor degree, bachelor top-up program with 30 credit hour only and 9,250 pounds. Okay, and they arrange some master top-up as well from the Northampton University. You have to do IELTS and all that. After that, 2,500 pounds, and just for 15 credit hour, just 15 credit hour. Here MBA is a 40 credit hour, 42 credit hour. Okay, and bachelor 129 credit hour, $1,600. Okay, so you have received the email from your respective coordinator from Karachi and from Lahore, and whoever would be interested, we can go instead of 16 for them. The $1,700, we can still go for $1,600 for next admission as well, but only for those people who have taken the pain of attending this webinar. They have sent you the email. On same email, you reply them if you are interested, that you are interested, so say mark, they can mark that you attended the webinar. So you will be getting the entry at $1,600 for MBA fast track, and you will be getting the entry for the Bachelor fast track, $1,600, not $1,700. Other people will be getting the $1,700. Okay. And now, what is your PhD? PhD is 6,800 plus processing fees, come to $7,150 for the whole 3-year program. 3-year program. Okay. And this is also up till 15 or 18 of August, because in September, this fees is going to go 10% up. This is a 75,000 plus 350 would be the 7850 instead of 7150, 6,800, 680 is the reduction at this moment. Okay, because we convinced the university that for the first year of PhD, which will be ending at 31st August. So this is the whole program, all doable, all fast track, all affordable. PhD in any international university will not cost you less than $70,000-$80,000. Okay, this university, all recognized university, and this is the. They say when the president of the university come to Pakistan, he said the ambassador of Malaysia inaugurated this in Lahore, and in Alhambra Art Center, he made an announcement. He said, Asia University is a gift of Malaysia to Asia, right? Gift of Malaysia to Asia, okay? And is not wrong with the prices, with the quality, with the type of program they are providing under the umbrella of Asia University are very valuable. Now, question, any question I will be pleased to answer.
Anyone wants to ask any question, please feel free to ask. You can write your question in the chat box, or you can unmute your mic one by one and you can ask the questions. Sir, still no question, sir.
No question. So I explained very well.
Yes, sir.
Anyone I want to ask the time required, exemption, the fee, anything on this, mode of papers, anything.
Sir, Mr. Zain Ali is asking, can you please share the link of HEC website where they clearly state this statement?
They have no university listed on their website, foreign university. Even not the Oxford, even not the Stanford, even not the what you call the most prominent university in Boston, right? They have no link of that. I'm categorically saying that. They say, and I've shown you, he joined probably late. I have already shown here the page of the here, and this should be enough for their his information. He probably joined late. I said, that's why for these people I said here, Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. This is a page of them. Asia Cooperation Dialogue, Asia University Scholarship. Why they will announce a scholarship of a university which is not recognized? You show me New York University on Asia on a HEC website, right? Harvard is the name. You cannot show me the Harvard even HEC. Those websites are not for this purpose. They give the list of the world university which are accepted by them. The only acceptability is, gentlemen, Mr. Zan, listen one thing. You only have to go to UNESCO. You Google UNESCO, you see there the university name, Asia University. Every university you will see in UNESCO. If you find the name of UNESCO there in the world, no can refuse the recognition of that university. Okay, so please don't ask, show me on the HEC, and I'm asking you, show me on HEC, even the Harvard University. Can you show me on Harvard University on HEC website? Answer is no, because the reason is this is not the way of these higher education commission to work, that they should list the 50,000 university of the world on their website. Mr. Zan, if you want to unmute your mic, and if you want to ask anything more, please ask. My answer is very categorical to you. And I put in front of you at Higher Education Commission page where something is written about Asia University. But they have not this manner that lists every university of the world. You cannot show me any American universities on the list of the because they don't have such any list there.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is a question. I am a fellow member of ICMAP and completed my MBA from University of UOW. I am residing in Sharjah, UAE. How can I apply for a PhD Business Administration or Finance? Can I do it online directly through AEU website?
You have to take admission through us if you want to avail this prize or this admission. Even you will write to the Asia University direct, they will send your email to us. Because for all Pakistani living all over the world, Alhamdulillah, we have the jurisdiction. Okay, so you will get admission through us. You will avail this prize of 7,150, which is available till the end of the August. Okay, and once that you will be having the portal link. We will share with the portal link. You will be start doing that, and our learning team from Pakistan will be supporting you in your difficulties all the way through. Right? So you will be supported by them in any issue comes in the way, like your assignment is delayed, your assignment, there is no assignment in PhD, but some work is, but your supervisor is not coming available on the dates you want to be available. You will write us, we will write them. In this way, we will be sorting out your problem. So you would be submitting your paper, your document to us, your fees to us. We will have you register with the Asia University, and you can do by sitting in the UAE your PhD. And your PhD will be endorsed by the Foreign Office of the Malaysia and also the Embassy of the Asia UAE as normal the process. Or alternatively, you can get the equivalence of that in Pakistan because you are Pakistani resident citizen, and then have it attested by Foreign Office, and then also have it attested by the Embassy of UAE, and enjoy your PhD.
Okay, sir. Anyone wants to ask any other question? Please feel free to ask. You can unmute your mic also one by one.
When you say one by one, they're giving the other the chance to be the first one, so they none of is clicking that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Between
Okay.
no one.
No question,
Huh?
sir. No question.
No question. So if they need any further answer, please contact the coordinator. We have sent you the email. Please listen. I've tried to tell you one thing. Fully recognized university. I shared with those documents. I shared with the West document. I shared with your HEC document. I shared with this page of HEC. Okay. I shared with you the alumni list from the Wikipedia. So there's one thing you should be comfortable about the recognition of this university. First. Second, the program I shared with you, the fast track. Okay. They are a gift from me to the all professional of Pakistan, Alhamdulillah, because I work for the service of this institute. Okay. So therefore, They are arranged by me. No professional accountancy body in Pakistan could arrange for its members anything like that. Okay, but it is arranged, alhamdulillah, 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 for the benefit of you people. Okay, another announcement I give you. 3 days back, we have a launch in Pakistan, the Institute of Taxation of Pakistan, involving all the prominent people of tax, law, and the profession. Alhamdulillah, that is also launched. And few days time, you will be getting the information who are the professional member of ICAP, ICMA, getting this information. Specialist Qualification Institute in Pakistan has been launched on the line of Chartered Institute of Taxation of UK. 10 countries have Taxation Institute. Pakistan has become the 11th country, alhamdulillah, a second country in South Asia. Sri Lanka has already, no other country in South Asia has. We have launched, and is with a better curriculum, better qualification than any other international institute, alhamdulillah. That's also going to be a service from myself and my team, working for the service of this fraternity of profession of accountant. Okay, with that, I thank you for your time being here, and you will not get from us, inshallah, for me, any degree offer or any program offer which is a waste of time, a waste of money, because that's not service to society. Service to society is give them the genuine thing, and you are being offered the genuine thing. Okay, thank you very much for being with us. So if you have any question, you can still write us. We are there for you. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Where is the little girl?
She is here, sir. She is here.
Thank you, Sir Maqbool, for your valuable time and comprehensive presentation for professionals. I also would like to thank you for my Karachi and Lahore team for organizing and making this event success. I would also thanks to all participants. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.